So guys, one of my YouTube subscriber made a comment on my previous 5-second parabolic SAR strategy where I have made good profit, and he was like, he used it in 10-second time frame. Okay, these candles are also 10-second and these timers are also 10-second, and I thought to give it a try, and without testing I'm going to make few trades to show you exactly how profitable this increment in this timer can be. And if you want to see my video where I have turned my $10 into $2,571, you in the end of this video you can get the link of that video anywhere at the screen. Okay, so watch this video carefully to understand how you can do the setup in order to make trades, and I am also going to make few trades and show you by using this exact strategy of parabolic SAR in 10-second time frame. So as I already told in all of my video, you need to make this stars yellow and make all of this currency pair appear at here. Now second thing you need to do is you need to select these candles and make it as 10. Okay, and if this timer is not enabled, then make sure it is enabled. Okay, so that you can see these timers at here. If you just turn off, it will not show at here. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is you need to implement this parabolic SAR indicator. Just click on that parabolic SAR indicator and it will appear at here. Now next thing you need to do is, if it is flag at here, make sure to make it clock and select S5 time frame and increase this to 10. Okay, so your trading time frame is also going to be a 10 seconds. So your candles are of 10 second, your trading time frame is also going to be a 10 second. Now decide the amount you want to invest in each trade. For this video I am going to invest $200 per trade. Okay, and after doing this much, you need to understand the strategy. See, whenever these parabolic SAR dots are forming below the candles, that means it is an uptrend. Similarly, whenever these parabolic SAR dots are forming above the candle, then that means it is a downtrend. Now, whenever the parabolic SAR dot is forming above the candles, and whenever there is the possibility of this second dot, because first dot I have already formed, now second dot is about to form, at that exact time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. And whenever the parabolic SAR dots are below the candles, okay, and whenever you see this one dot I have already formed and it is about to form, at that time exactly you need to make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, whenever the timer is at 1 second. Okay, if that happens, then that is more good. Okay, whenever this timer shows 1 second remaining for this candle to close. Okay, in that case you can make trade. And now I'll exactly show you by making few trades. Watch the video very carefully. So let's begin our trading. Let's find the dot where we need to make our trade. So let's keep on searching. Yeah, we missed this trade. Missed this trade also. This is one of the boring part of this strategy. You need to keep on switching currency pairs so that, oh my god, this was just first dot and I just made a mistake. Okay, but I again made another trade. Okay, and it seems like we are going to make profit in both of these trades. Okay, I saw it was already 10 seconds, that's why I made a trade earlier, but that was my mistake. But anyway, that mistake made me profit. So you can make a trade at here. Here you can see second dot had formed. If we could have made trade a little bit from above, then that would be even more nice. Okay, but anyways, let's see what happens in this trade. Yes, we made a profit in this trade too. So let's keep on finding more currency pair. In while you are trading using this strategy, sometimes most of your trade may not go right. Okay, at that time you need to stop trading. So as I have told you previously, if no, I have not told you in this video, in my other videos, you can watch those videos also. I will put it in the end of this video. In the end of this YouTube video, I'll put how I was able to turn my $10 into $571 by increasing that $10 to that much amount by using the 5-second parabolic SAR strategy. Okay, don't miss that video. And uh, I've already made 3 trades profitable here. I could have made the trade, but it was a little bit delayed. Okay, and yes, I have even made if even if it was a little bit delayed, there is 2 seconds, 1 second, and we made a loss. Okay, now what I can do is I can stop trading for this today, so that I've made 3 trades. 3 trades were 4 trades. 3 trades were profitable and one was lost. So you can stop trading for that day. Okay. So here you can see another dot is about to form, and I'm going to definitely make the trade at here. And this may go in loss, but that is another thing. Okay. But I could have stopped in the previous trades, so that my loss would have only be one. Okay, and 3 trades were profitable, and I would have been still be profitable. Now the condition is like I have made 3 trades profit, 2 trades loss, so I need to continue trading in this scenario. Okay, so I will move to other currency pair. Here you can see second dot have formed, but this could also have gone in profit. So let's find more trades, more place where we can make the trade. Here you can see we have missed the trade and it was profitable. Yeah, one dot. So whenever the timer hits one, I will make the trade in lower direction, because these dots are forming above the candles. Okay, let's see what happens in this trade. We made profit. Okay, now 4 trades were profitable, 2 trades were loss. Okay, now I could stop trading for that day. What I will do is, for this video I will stop here, and in the screen you can see anywhere at here or here there is a video where I have shown you how you can increase, how I have increased my funds from $10 to $25.71. You can watch that and start to use this strategy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.